We're here now in the airport, going to Iloilo for my mom's birthday. So it's 5J461 Iloilo. So wala pang date. Bili muna kami ng merienda. I'm with Abby and Ariel. Asan na? Ayan. 1, 2, 3, B. Let's go! Ay, sana si Abby? Hinahanap kita. Welcome to Municipality of Cabanatuan, home of Iloilo International Airport. Tupado. As in, TV. Ang birthday gift mo.
Wow!
Kami ni Abby.
Wow! Very happy. Ako na ang isang pulo. Kristal?
Ano, open mo. Para na mahulog.
Wow!
Jade cup. Ano nga na for health and...
Wala ko yan wow!
Dito kami matutulog. Ang blue house nila. Ay, ano ba?
Alas ka lang. Pero kung magtulog, parang tulog.
Sulod na lang namin. Ito yung chinelas.
Ano yung chinelas ba?
Wow!
Nadata lang yung lulo, hindi pa kami na po na. Tapos pati habol, pili mismo pwede na makas.
Thank you.
Greenhouse ang greenhouse.
Good morning. So I'm ready. I'm just gonna check out the car. My sister is, I mean my family's in the other house. So I'm gonna drive this one today. Hold on. Just gonna check if it's clean and on. Then, apat kasi kami sasakay dito. Okay. Kasya naman siguro sa akin. Huwag na lang ano ba ito? Ilabas ko na yung kotse. So after this, we're gonna eat breakfast sa other house. And then after, we're gonna go to the hotel for the event. Thank you, Blue House.
Ano to?
Morning!
Ano to?
Normal. Yung... Hindi, wag mo na pabayaan na yan. Ano na yan? Liit ng kotse. Si Abby ni makita. Punta na kami sa isang bahay. Bible house.
Asan ako magpupunta?
Sa likod niya.
Sa unahan?
Sa likod niya. Oo.
Ito unahan.
Dito. Ang luwag. Dito man na lang. Hello, other house.
Ano video?
Tito, message!
Mamaya.
Kayo ba?
That's my mind.
Dapat may ganon. Wala, may mic to, Tito.
Sa unahan.
Opo. May mic yan. Lord, take over. Unlock siya.
Before, after.
Before, after. After na yaya.
Wala ko masakailis.
John? John? Ay, nagkirikinan na.
Kaya lang po kadalasan endish nangyayari kasi po yun nasa white book lang. Pero kung ay identify po na trabaho, example po yung component na training,
Quick stop muna sa Bizcocho House.
Antek mo yung reason eh.
Ang yan po.
Ah, 197. Yay! Thanks, Bizcocho. Pwede nga din sa
Balikan mo muna settle sa...
Sa 3 rooms. Need na mag-pay.
Yes, sir. Payment naman per day. And then, ma-require lang, sir, deposit of 1,000 per room. Yes, sir. Ginarefund mo na siya. Sure. Here, once a year, and...
How much tanan? Ay, it's the girly.
Miss you.
Hi, ta. Hello, hello. Ha? Ano?
Ano ni pagkami ako? Ikot tutuot lang. Ano pa rin ako malapal?
Paano yung seating arrangement ko? Wala na.
Marami yan. Ano din siya? Ariel. And Eliza Ruby Castro. Oh.
Iloilo.
Sandali, Castro ako mo. Pisura ko na biktima sa kastigador. Castro. Gentlemen, please put your hands together and let's give her a big round of applause. Madam Terry Fiona Duriano, our gorgeous octogenarian. She is the star of the moment and will be escorted by his beloved son-in-law, Dr. Edmundo Ditita Fernandez, together with his eldest son, Mr. Max Edmundo Duriano Fernandez.
And she will be serenaded by her two children, Dr. Adem and Teddy Jan, and the youngest Apu.
Maritza Hernani.
Yes. Marcos and Benito. Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kulang isa? Kulang isa.
Walo.
Roderick, may second ara na. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cheese.
Ayan.
Beloved Tita, Mrs. Terry Villanueva Fiona Duriano. We rejoice with love this beautiful moment of her life. Tita, we celebrate with love your 80th birthday anniversary today. May you continue to enjoy the fullness of God's love, the loving embrace of your family and friends, the joy and gratitude in your heart of all the blessings our dear Lord has showered upon you and your family.
We just wanted to say, Mama, thank you so much for your love for us and for everyone here. You've seen naman the results of your generosity and your love to everyone here. We all have a part of that. We felt your love and we felt your help when we need you in any way, and you've been always there for us. So, short lang siguro, we just wanted to say na hopefully you'll live more 80 more years with us. God willing, you'd be healthy for the next several years to be with us para we can continue to be here every year and have this. Okay lang sa ako makita nilang PowerPoint presentation yung mga mag-inobra niya every year. Ito namin ilang mag-minutes, diba? But yeah, I mean, I think that's it for our family. We wanted just to say, we love you, we thank you for everything. Hindi na lang ito mag-ilihibi, ano yung subong. We want this to end happily, no?
Yes.
But yeah, kahit hindi na mayiliman kami ganitong tatlang amon, lawas namin tilo ka. Namin lang mag-end today na happy kita tanan. So, amo lang na.
Thank you, Toto. Sama.